scary noise I was talking to you about from my car?
Yeah, I heard it the other night. It was horrible. Did you not see me whip my head around and be like, oh my god?
Wait, when? What?
The other night when you left, I heard your car like scream and my whole body like pivoted in
Wait,
place.
was it the brakes or was it a different
It was your
noise?
fucking horrific tire.
Your car grinded?
Dude, her car's a little slut. It grinds on anything.
Oh.
I think there's something a little funky with like the brake pad or the rotor on the front passenger side. Because there was a sound coming from it, and it was just like a really like quiet, high pitched noise, just like a grindy metal noise, you know. But it was quiet. When I hit the brakes, it stopped. But then suddenly it became a much louder screeching noise.
Oh God.
For a bit, and so I kept driving. And then it goes back to the first noise.
Was it your brake?
I mean, I assume so, because it stopped when I pressed on the brakes. But, like... And then the noise just stopped. I don't think it makes it anymore, so I don't know what's happening.
Huh. Should be fine then.
Yeah. I was
Really
talking
fine.
about,
You should probably just stop worrying
maybe
about it.
got like a small rock like underneath your brake pad or something.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
that could do it.
Shit.
That makes sense.
That's probably, yeah.
My mom is a wise old woman.
Your mom's a just beautiful, gorgeous little goddess of a woman.
Oh, wow.